I'm Ruth Hansom, we're at the Wernher Restaurant at Luton Hoo Hotel. Today I'm going to make a cured salmon, cured cod, nori, avocado and cucumber dish for you. So I'm going to make a ballantine with the salmon and the cod, wet the seaweed a little bit to soften it so that you can roll it. It's like making sushi. First I'm going to individually wrap them all in nori seaweed and then I'll wrap them all together. The cod and the salmon I've just cured with salt, sugar, zest of lemon and lime and a little bit of gin. So then I'm just going to do the same with the cod. So now I'm going to build the ballantine so it kind of looks like a mosaic. You want to kind of position things so that you don't have two of the same colours next to each other, and then you have to roll it really tight to get like the cylindrical shape. So then I'm just going to roll that in cling film so that I can tighten it even more. So next I'm just going to do the cucumber garnish. One is going to be frizzy and scooped and then blow-torched. Okay, so I've got some cucumber ribbons and I'm just going to put a little bit of white balsamic vinegar on them. It's quite nice and sweet naturally, so you don't really have to add sugar as you would with a normal pickle. So I'm just going to roll these up now. It's quite a fiddly job. Okay, so I've got some squid ink cracker here. We make it with tapioca pearls, water and squid ink, and then you dehydrate it for 2 days and then it goes like this and you deep fry it and it puffs up. So the tapioca cracker is just puffing up now. So you've dehydrated it and now you're kind of rehydrating it. So the ballantine's been in the fridge for about half an hour. I'm going to take it out now and cut it. So I'm going to take the end bit off. You want a really sharp knife to do this. So I've got some cucumber jelly. I'm just going to cut into strips and then I'm going to wrap it around the ballantine. I'm just going to oil this slightly just to give it a bit of a shine. So I'm using rapeseed oil. So this is cucumber jelly. So I'm just going to wrap this round and then stand it up a little bit. Next I'm going to put the cucumber on. So I have these rolls that is lightly pickled, the discs which we charred. It's got a little bit of avocado puree which I've blended with a little bit of lemon juice and some salt. Also a bit of lemon gel which I've made with lemon juice, a little bit of sugar just to balance it, and then set that with agar. Our squid ink tapioca cracker, so this adds a bit of texture because everything else is quite soft. And then to finish off, just a little bit of coriander cress. And that's it. So we've got the cured salmon, cured cod, nori, cucumber and avocado.